When students talk about top engineering colleges in India, most of the time the conversation stops at IITs, NITs, and triple IITs. But very few people talk about cities that are quietly building some of the strongest engineering ecosystem in the country. One such city is Trivandrum. Trivandrum is not just the capital of Kerala, it is also home to organizations like ISRO, VSSC, and multiple national research centers. Because of this, the engineering colleges here are deeply connected to research, core engineering, and real world application. Every year, thousands of students aim to secure a seat in these colleges through exams like JEE Advanced and KEET. Now, let's come to the real question. If you want the quality education, strong fundamental, and decent placement without going to overcrowded metro cities, is Trivandrum a good option? The answer is yes. In this video, we are going to talk about top engineering colleges in Trivandrum. We'll break down their placement performance, fee structure, admission process, cutoff, and overall reputation, so that by the end of this video, you have a clear idea of which colleges fit your goal best. Taking number one position is Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. IIST Trivandrum was established in 1956. This is a government institute under the Department of Space, making it one of the most unique engineering college in India. IIST is consistently ranked among the top engineering institutions by NIRF, ranked at 61. Here admissions are done through JEE Advanced, with cutoff percentage closing at 28.06% for general category in 2025. The tuition fee is affordable, ranging between 1.4 to 6.25 lakhs, depending on the course you choose, and many students also receive scholarships. The placement is strong, with a median package of 11 LPA as recorded in 2024. Now, before I introduce the next college, I want to talk about an institute that is revolutionizing education. I'm talking about Intellipass School of Technology, IST. This institute has been commended by Vid Tiwari, CEO of National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. Unlike traditional institute, IST has been designed by industry experts with faculty from Google, Microsoft, Meta, along with experienced IIT professors. The focus here is not just on theory but real world practical learning. You will master AI, ML, cloud, and other cutting edge technologies essential for your success in today's tech driven world. You will spend 5,000 plus hours coding, not just working on projects, but building real tech products like designing cloud infrastructure for large scale applications like Amazon. And it doesn't stop there. IST provides hands on training on scaling your product into a startup through its innovation hub. You will even get the chance to pitch your idea to VCs for funding while still in college. Beyond academics, IST offer incredible opportunities like participation in international tech summit in Dubai and Singapore, visiting man companies' campuses to see how tech firms operate, and even earning a minor degree from an IIT. IST has multiple campuses across Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, and more, and students receive a BTech degree through IST partner universities. To get into IST, you need to clear the IST entrance test followed by a personal interview. The website link is given in the description. Check it out now and apply today for the unique opportunity. Moving on to the next college, at second position we have College of Engineering Trivandrum. CET was established in 1939. This is one of the oldest government engineering college in South India. CET is affiliated by APG Abdul Kalam Technological University with NIRF rank ranging between 101 to 150. Admissions are done through KEEM or Kerala Engineering Architecture Medical is the state level entrance exam conducted for engineering admission in Kerala, and the cutoff for CSE branch closed at 552 last year. Eligibility is class 12th with a minimum aggregate of 45% from a recognized board. The total tuition fee for the BTech program usually is under 50,000 depending on the course. Coming to the placements are good with a median package of around 7 LPA. Now coming to the third position, we have Sri Chitra Thirunal College of Engineering. SCTCE Trivandrum was established in 1995. This is a government-aided institution. Admissions are carried out through KEEM counseling, and the cutoff closed at 5,593. The total tuition fee for the full BTech program ranges between 3 to 4 lakhs depending on the course you choose. The placements are decent with a median salary of nearly 5.5 LPA, which is slightly higher than some of the government colleges. At the fourth position, we have Government Engineering College, Barton Hill, GECBH. Trivandrum was established in 1999. This is a government college and the admissions are carried through KEEM counseling. The cutoff remain competitive, especially for branches like CSE. The last rank closed at 7,243 and the total tuition fee is around 18 to 35,000 depending on the course, making it value for money engineering college in Kerala. The placement are also decent with a median salary of approximately 5 LPA. At the fifth position, we have LBS Institute of Technology for Women Trivandrum. Established in 2001, this is a government-aided institute where admissions are done through keen counseling and the cutoffs are moderate to high depending on the branch. The closing home rank for CSE is 11,740. Coming to the tuition fee, it usually falls between 45,000 to 2.6 lakhs, keeping it affordable for most of the students. When it comes to placement, the institution maintain a decent placement percentage with a median salary of around 4.5 LPA. Its consistent performance places it comfortably in the mid-tier Trivandrum College. So that was a list for the top engineering colleges in Trivandrum. Hope this video will help you select your college in Trivandrum. See you in the next one.